Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video is about another recreation of none other than Miss Tailormadejane herself. I'm recreating her blue glitter liner look that she did, and this look is absolutely bomb. Her video was very thorough, very easy to follow, and this is the end result. So if you want to see how I used her video to recreate her look, then stay tuned. So today I'm going to be doing my eyes inspired by Tailormadejane, and it was the blue glitter liner she did that was like so bomb. I don't have the palettes that she used, so I'm going to make do with what I have. So I'm first starting off with my Warrior 2 palette, and I'm starting off with this shade Yoded because she used a very like flesh toned neutral brown to blend in her crease first. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna put it all over the eye. And because I want this color nice and blended throughout the eye, I'm using a large fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M576. It's like a pointed blender. I'm just using that to go ahead and lightly place that in my crease. Next, like she did, I'm going to take my Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to go in with Credit, and I'm going to use a Morphe E17 to go ahead and blend this in my crease. So I'm placing this color in my outer V and then kind of dragging it towards the inner corner of my eye, but I'm not bringing it too far in because the way she kind of cuts the crease, it'll meet right here in the middle, and that's just about the most color I'll need on this inner portion of my eye. So I'm just going to place that there. And then all I'm going to do is go back and forth with my first color and my second color and then blend those together. Now that I've gotten both of those on my eye, I do go in with this shade here. It's like a nudie like peach shade, and I added that on another angle blending brush, and I just use that to highlight under my brow bone, just because I like the way this makes my eye shape look. So I go in and I lightly tap it. And then I go back in with my previous brush and I blend that harsh line out, so that way it kind of blends in seamlessly. And then once I am pretty satisfied with how it looks, I will move on. I think next she cuts her crease, so we shall do the same. Flat brush that's like no name, it's just a little cheap brush that I've flattened out, and I'm going to use that to create the cut crease. So what she does is she takes hers and she stamps it on her eye, and I'm going to try this technique, but Lord, it is a lot. So I feel like the key to this is making sure your brush is evenly coated with product. Ooh. Alright, I'm just really having to concentrate. I can make sure I get this base on here nicely. I'm just gonna kind of take and feather out the edges. Okay, so some of us is cut crease queens, some of us are not. Okay, I did my best to try to replicate the shape that she had. And then I'm going to go in and like lightly tap in most of this base to try to get it like as flat as possible, and then I'll move on with the lid shades. I'm gonna go back in with that shade Yoded on that M576 again, and I'm going to lightly dust this color onto the edge. And I am doing so kind of in like a slanted kind of motion. You know, I should have done, I think I'm gonna still do it, but I'm gonna bring this in a little further. And then I'm gonna go over the edges one more time with credit. So now going back with my E17 and credit, I'm gonna go in and get this all over the edge and kind of like the outer V. I'm gonna cover this part up here. For the inner corner or the first part of the eyelid, I think she used like a cream or like a champagne color. I don't know if it has shimmer or not, but I'm gonna make the look all matte. And I'm gonna take this Morphe palette. This is a 25B palette. I'm gonna take this shade here. It's like a really light peachy off-white kind of color. I think it'll look great with my skin tone. I'm gonna take that and then lightly dust that over. Well, not dust, but like kind of pat that into the base that doesn't have any color on it. All right, so I'm going back in with Yoded, that flesh tone brown. And I'm sorry about the lighting change. I started filming late, so it's now dark and I'm having to use just all the lighting in my room, which is not the greatest, but I do want to finish this. So I'm gonna look a little washed out, but I'm gonna still try to take low light pictures when I film the outro. So all I wanna do is go in and do the same on this eye, adding the credits, Yoded, and then a little bit of that tan shade, tannish cream color. And I did also add in just a little bit of ginger in here to make it more brown, make it more orange or like rusty brown. So I like the way that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye and then we'll be back for the eyeliner portion. Okay, so for the glitter liner that she had, I don't have any of the products that she used, so I'm gonna first take my Inglot gel liner. This is the number 77. I'm gonna create the wing with that, and then I'm gonna go over the wing with these liquid lipsticks that I'm gonna mix. This is a NYX liquid suede lipstick in Jet Set, and this is a RK by Kiss Forever matte liquid lipstick in the color Azure. So I'm gonna mix those together, and I'm gonna use those to line on top of the black, and then I'll go on top of that with the blue glitter. This is a glitter that I received in like a nail kit that I don't use, but I mean, I figured it would work for today. So let's get started. I went ahead and switched to my liquid liner because that was too hard to work with. All right, so I finally finished with the liner, thank God. That was a struggle, okay? It's a lot. But anyway, I'm gonna put on these lashes. After I've got my lashes applied, I'm just gonna go in with my full face routine, and it's gonna be sped through. But if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time here and seeing my face, hi, my name is Otisha. I make videos for everyday girls that like to dabble into makeup, a little bit of hair, and I might start getting in more fashion videos, but for now, mostly beauty based. So please join my subscribers list for more content. And yeah, if you guys have any video requests, don't forget to leave them down below. I will see you guys on the next video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna like use my finger as a shield and spray this all over the face. And then I'm gonna give this some time to dry down.